Hello, hi, this is the unboxing of Brad Mondo's Super Gloss, and the box did come with a giant hole instead of my address. I'm sure Brad will comment on that later. How did that happen? As we open the box, we see a poster. It's pretty cool. Let me show it to you. There we go. Really nice. And then there's another one on the side which says, sorry, but you're like stunning. I hope I got that one correctly. I don't know, hopefully Brad will comment on that as well. We also got some stickers right here. And then, of course, the product itself. Pretty big box. I think it's just as big as the colors were. And then as we open it, the top stuck to it, so it does have a plastic on top. But it's just like white and sparkly. And the smell is, I would say, very kind of fresh and almost herbal to me. It's very neutral, so I think both girls and guys can wear it. Very cool, and I'm so excited to try it.